This is my Angular 2 project. It's called Learn 1, and it actually is the first Angular 2 project I've ever really done from start to finish. And even though it's not that great at all, it's not that big, it's not that impressive, but it really helps me learn some of the basics of Angular 2. And I really focused on this project with learning how to and use components and do a little bit of routing as well as basically learning how to add images. This image right here took me forever to figure out how to add. I actually worked on it yesterday on February 24th, and it probably took me 2.5 hours, and at the end of the day, it was like the easiest thing for me to do. But anyway, so I have this home page right here that I can click about and instantly go there, and it talks a little bit about me. I have a link to my coding blog, and this learn page, which is just another component for me to learn how to use. But that's it for this project. It's just 3 simple pages. I worked a lot with components in order to make this. And this project's purpose wasn't to be anything big, like I said. And here's like the app component right here. And then I have essentially 5 other components that go together that make this whole page and everything. So that was really it for this project. It wasn't that like big at all, like I keep on stressing, but I think it really helped me learn Angular 2. And I have other kind of projects I don't put on GitHub that I'm working with Angular 2, but are more from like YouTube videos or a class on lynda.com that I'm using to teach me how to do Angular 2. And I take what I learned from that class and apply it into these projects. So the next step after this project is to do a similar project, but to actually make it more like a website, an official website. So I'll take probably some project from my web development class I'm currently in and just turn that into an Angular 2 project. So it'll keep on adding to this and making it better and better, and something that I'm looking forward to. And like I said, here's the routes right here. It's something that was not like that hard to do and to learn how to do all this, and I'm really glad that I got to work on this project and learn how to do it. Up to this point, I was actually been very afraid of Angular 2, but the only way you can really learn how to do something is to dive in and start applying it. And that's something that I've learned from numerous people in the development industry that I talk to at meetups. And you just can't read about something and then think you know it. You actually have to apply it. And like I said, learning how to put an image into this project took me probably 2.5 hours to learn how to do. And once I got it, it was the easiest thing in the world. So my next project, I'm looking forward to having more images and a little bit more functionality. Not that much more. I like to move slowly and to make sure I understand all the concepts. But as far as components go, at a very basic level, I believe I have a good understanding of components at a basic level. And here's just my one component for the main element. And so I'm going to continue on this project, like I said, well, on these projects, and you'll probably see another Angular 2 one that'll look very similar to this project, maybe a little bit more advanced, in probably 10 days, 2 weeks from now. I don't think it'll take me much longer than that. So I hope that's it, and have a great day.